This particular update right here has actually made Sosovalue the biggest airdrop that I'm expecting this 2026. You wouldn't imagine what they said right here about the bots on the Sosovalue airdrop. All right, so if you missed out Sosovalue airdrop, trust me, you are missing out one of the biggest airdrop coming this 2026, and we have just 2 months to wrap everything up. Okay, so right now they actually dropped the latest update right here just about 2 hours ago, and we are going to be talking about it right here on this particular video. We are also going to be talking about the snapshot date, the distribution date, and of course we are going to be talking about some of the little things that could probably disqualify you from receiving the Sosovalue airdrop, and also the things that is going to be making you eligible to claim the Sosovalue airdrop. So this is the biggest and probably one of the biggest airdrop that we are going to have this 2026. All right, so to start with, we have this Sosovalue dashboard. We have the website right here where you need to gather ESP, and of course, you know, the amount of ESP that you have gathered actually position you to get the to even qualify and also be eligible to get the Sosovalue airdrop. All right, so this is also what we are going to be talking about right here on this particular video. But for us to actually start the video properly, please, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I make videos around crypto and I help you position for airdrop that's going to be paying you massively. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed, I beg you. And most importantly, do not forget to like this video if you find it interesting. Now, for us to get started right here, like I already said, this is one of the biggest updates that they have brought so far on Sosovalue airdrop. Remember, previously, Sosovalue airdrop actually dropped their real user verification. They dropped the real user verification, which actually required us to reach at least 100% before we are eligible to claim the airdrop. Reaching 120% allows you to earn extra 20% bonus. All right, so and this has actually it has actually disqualified millions of people from this particular airdrop. And now the reason why I'm actually saying that this particular new update right here is the real game changer is because it actually filters out even more bots. And right now, this is what happened. Now, previously, Sosovalue airdrop brought out that user verification, which allows them to filter out bots, not just filtering out bots, but trust me, not everyone is going to be able to reach this 100% level, because for you to reach this 100% level, real funds must be involved. And I've happened to make a real detailed video and how I was able to reach this 100% level. I did everything on camera, and of course you can find the video right there on the video description box. You need to check out the video description box to see the video that I made and how I showed you guys how you can be able to reach this 100% level, and that video is going to be helping you a lot to reach this 100% level. Now let's continue with the video of the day, which is this particular update right here. They said to protect the interest of real builders, newly registered account must go through 7 days bot screening process before initiating the real user verification. Like we already established previously that not even everyone, before we even talk about bots, of course, they are trying to filter out bots, all right, so that bots won't so that bots will not be able to get the lion's share of this airdrop. Now, previously, this user verification has already filtered out bots, and of course they now added even more security to it by saying that new accounts, that is, if you are creating a Sosovalue account for the first time, you are going to wait for 7 days before you can even be able to initiate this real user verification right here. This has automatically filtered out even a larger number of people trying to maneuver or run scripts to gain access into this Sosovalue airdrop. All right, so now this is going to drop the number of people who are going to be qualified for this Sosovalue airdrop drastically. Now, for example, I believe that when we talk about people who are going to be qualifying for the Sosovalue airdrop, I doubt if they are going to be up to 500,000. Definitely, they are not going to be up to that. There is no way they are going to be up to that, because not everyone is going to be able to qualify this real user probability test. Not everyone is going to be able to pass it. All right, so but if you're a real person watching this video right now and you want to pass it, the detailed video on how you can be able to pass it is going to be right there on the video description box. So Now we are expecting the age of Snapshot to be coming next month, which is April, and of course the distribution of the token is coming on May, and this is where the whole thing lies, and this is one of the most important things, which is of course the eligibility, how you can be eligible, how you can make yourself eligible for this particular age. Or first, like I already established, you need at least you need to reach V2, that is level 2. I'm currently on level 4 right here, and probably in the coming days I'm going to level 5, because you can see once I reach 10 million exp I'm going straight to level 5, and currently I'm on 9.7, so just less than 200 exp for me to about 200 ESP for me to get to level 5. Make sure you reach at least level 5, okay? And also make sure you complete this user verification, and importantly, make sure you have your wallet connected. All right, so to be able to have your wallet connected, what you need to do is very simple. Just click over here that we have you can see this setting right here. Once you click on this setting, then they are going to be giving you this is where do we have it right here, account setting. Once you click on account setting, then this is where you are going to be able to link all your socials and also link your wallet. Very important, your wallet must be linked. Okay, so right now guys, this is all you need to know right now concerning the Sosovalue airdrop. And remember, whatever you are doing, make sure you complete the reuser verification and also achieve at least level 2. Make sure you connect all your social and keep on checking in daily. A lot of you are avoiding this, a lot of you are not paying close attention to this daily check-in, not knowing that it's one of those things that's going to be qualifying you under must for this particular airdrop. All right, so also complete the starter pack campaign. It's very important, and literally if you obey all I've said on this particular video, trust me, you are going to be getting Sosovalue airdrop. You are going to be getting it. All right, so also do not farm with both do not have multiple accounts on one phone. That is going to be getting you disqualified, and also avoid bot-like behavior like automated action or inactivity. All right, so all this put together is going to be disqualifying you from receiving the Sosovalue airdrop. So remember what I said earlier, the link to get started with this airdrop is going to be right there on the video description box. And also, if you are interested in completing the reuser verification to be able to qualify to receive the airdrop on May 2026, and also qualify to be among the people that are going to be getting the airdrop, because first you need to be among the people that's included during the snapshot before you are qualified to get the airdrop on May. All right, so this is all you need to know right now concerning the Sosovalue airdrop. I mean, this is the latest update, and also I'm going to be leaving the referral link right there on the video description box as well, so that you can get started today. And of course, you are probably going to be eligible to receive the Sosovalue airdrop. So this is all you need to know right now. It is nothing harder than this, and probably you are going to be among the people that are going to be getting millions when they finally distribute in May 2026. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be talking to you on the next video that's going to be dropping very soon. All right, so thank you so much, have a good day, and of course be blessed.